How to tip Instacart Shopper. Now, Instacart Shopper can be tipped directly through the app during a checkout or just within 24 hours after delivery as well. Now, if you want to do it during a checkout procedure, then you just want to open the app, start adding product to your page, and there you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the section. After which, you just want to make sure to go to the checkout page. Once you do this, you will be asked to add in the address, all that. And during the checkout procedure, there you can adjust the tip in the app up to 24 hours as well. And there you could just go ahead and add in a tip as well as the amount you have to pay for it. Once you've done this, this is gonna be helpful to tip Instacart Shopper before checking out or before delivery. And if you want to do it after delivery, then you just want to make sure to go to the profile initials from the top right. There you just want to make sure to go to the order section, select the existing order, or you could just adjust the tip in the app up to 24 hours after delivery to reflect the service quality as well. And if you wish to add a bonus tip after the initial 24-hour window, you may need to contact customer support as well. And that's how you're supposed to tip Instacart Shopper. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.